Selecting a right milling cutter for your process is not as simple as you think it would be. Deciding the right diameter, length, and adaptation takes years of practice and thorough research. Although there are a lot of vendors from whom you could get these cutters, even if you do, and it does not meet your requirements, you need to start the process all over. To make things easier for you, Kennametal Knowledge Center has the right tool for you. e-MCAE, the online metal cutting application engineering courses. In that, we have advances of milling. This is designed for deeper understanding of all milling operations for improving productivity and tool life. This course talks about milling quality aspects and improvement techniques. Selection of parameters, operating conditions are just among the many topics that will be discussed. Through this course, you will come to know that cutting tool selection is just not an art, but a scientific approach towards achieving higher productivity and more tool life. To join these courses, please do feel free to contact us. Visit our website to know more about our online courses, and we recommend you to register for these trainings. Happy machining!